So today we are talking about the insect head appendages, and in insect head appendages, the most prominent appendages is insect antenna. In our today lecture, we have learning objectives like morphological study of insect antenna, then articulation of insect antenna, and some modifications of antenna of different insects. So coming toward the insect major body parts, generally insect is divided into three main regions. That is head, thorax, and abdomen. On head, insect has mouth parts, antenna, and compound eyes and simple eyes. And then on thorax, there are legs, wings, and spiracles. And on abdomen, insect has spiracles and genital organ. So, keeping in view the presence of these appendages, we can say that the head region of insect is also the feeding or sensory region, and thoracic region of insect is known as locomotory region, and abdomen region of the insect may also known as reproductive or excretory region. So generally, insect is the body of insect is morphologically divided into three main regions: head, thorax, and abdomen. Then coming toward the appendages of head and the antenna is our today topic. Antennas are the pair of sense organs located at front of an insect's head capsule. So all the insects have a pair of antenna. While we're talking about the simple definition of an insect, we can say that most of the insect contain one pair of antenna. They may be modified into different shapes based on their functions. So antenna vary in shape or their function they perform. And commonly, these antennas are also known as feelers, receptors, or sensor because they actually feel like detection of sound, gauging the air speed, or flight, or movement, or so many other sensory detections by the antenna. So, keeping in view their function, we can say the antenna are actually the feeders. So, we may also say that if insect don't have any antenna, there will be no feelings in insect. But mostly, the insect contain a pair of antenna. A simple morphology of insect antenna is like divided into three main region parts: scap, pedicel, and flagellum. And most of the modifications takes place in flagellum area. So scap is a basal segment that articulate with the head capsule, attached with the head capsule. Pedicel is the second segment, and flagellum that is actually the segmented part of the of antenna, also known as flagellomere. These segments are known as flagellomeres. So this is the simple or general, or we can say that typical antenna of an insect containing three major parts: scap, pedicel, and flagellum. Flagellum is actually segmented area of the or segmented part of the insect antenna. So here is the structure of a typical antenna along with different muscles, articulations, and different. These muscles are actually used to lift, to make an angle, or to bend. That are also called as levator muscles or lifting actually muscles. Extensor muscles are angle or axis formation muscles, and flexor muscles are used for the bending of antenna. So when an insect makes some Angles of antenna, it will use extensor muscles or depressor muscles. Same when the antenna will be bended, the flexor muscles will be used, and same when insect will elevate or lift their antenna, the levator muscle will be used. So here are some modifications of antenna in different insect. As we know that the insect antennas are actually modified based on their functions. So first of all, insect antenna of dragonfly, and that is bristle-like structure, and it's also known as statius. And then ground beetle and cockroaches, the antenna is thread-like and also known as filiform. Then antenna of termites, that is bead-like structure and also known as moniliform. Statius, bristol-like, filiform, thread-like, and moniliform, that is bead-like. Then antenna of click beetle, it will look like a tooth, a sawtooth, sawtooth-like, and it's known as serrate. Then carrion beetle, that has a gradually clubbed like antenna and known as clavate antenna. Then butterflies, abruptly clubbed at the tip of the antenna, it's called as capitate, and it will look like a cap at the terminal part of the antenna. Then scrap beetle, that's nested plates like laminated plates or laminated sheets. So it's called as laminate antenna. Then fire colored beetle, it's like a comb, looks like a comb and called as pectinate antenna. Another type of antenna is plumose. It's like a brush-like, and mosquitoes contain these plumose antenna. Here we have some differences in male and female antenna of the mosquito. For the male mosquito, that is brush-like or feather-like, that is plumose, and in female antenna, these feathers are not so brushy or like feather. They're on the antenna. On the antenna, the hairs will be like scattered, not like a feather, and it will called as phylos. So we can differentiate these male and female mosquitoes by examining their antenna. The plumose antenna will be for male mosquito and phylos for the female mosquito. And this is a morphological difference between male and female mosquito. Then elbow-like structure of antenna is present in ants, and that is geniculate antenna. And for houseflies, the antenna is straight. Here, the antenna contains a pouch-like structure, a big lateral bristle or brush on the flagellum. So, while cleaning the forelegs of houseflies, these houseflies use this brush of their antenna to clean their forelegs, front legs. So these modifications are actually based on the functions of the antenna. Like if houseflies use